Okay, so we got another MADAS question. It says a sequence of numbers u1, u2, u3, u4 is defined by un is equal to 1 over 1 minus un minus 1, and u1 is equal to 2. Determine the value of the sum of un from n equals 1 to 20 for 5 marks. Okay, so firstly, what I'd want to do is investigate the first couple of terms of this sequence there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the first term, which we know is 2. I'm going to store it in my calculator, and I'm just going to use the iterative method to figure out the first couple of terms and see if anything comes up. So I'm going to do 1 over 1 minus answer equals, that's u2. So u2 is minus 1. u3 is a half. u4 is 2, right? And then if I click equals again, we can see what's happening. It's cycling. This is going to be a periodic sequence. And the order is going to be 3, isn't it? Because I have 3 distinct terms. And that's very, very helpful. So remember, they're asking us to calculate the sum of the first 20 terms. And I know that it cycles in threes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say then that the sum of the first 20 terms is going to be, first was 2. The second one was a minus 1. And the third one was a half, right? And it's going to be like this, isn't it? 2 plus minus 1 and a half, and so on and so forth, right? Now, we want the first 20 terms. Now, remember, there's 3 distinct terms, so it cycles in threes. So you want to ask yourself, right, how many of these threes go into 20? Because we want 20, the first 20 terms. Well, 20 divided by 3 is just 18 remainder 2, isn't it? Right? So we know that we can get 6 cycles, isn't it? Because 6 lots of 3 is 18. So what I'm going to say then is that the first 20 terms, I'm going to write like this, of n equals 1 to 20 is going to equal 6 lots of the 2 plus minus 1 plus a half, like that. And then remember, this is 18 terms right here, right? Because I've got 3 terms that are distinct, and then I'm timesing it by 6 because there's going to be 6 lots of them, 18. And then the next 2 terms, I'm going to write 19th and 20th. It's just going to be the first 2 of this 3-peat cycle, right? Which is going to be 2 plus a minus 1. And then now all we need to do is just calculate this. What is that equal to? We've got 6 there. Whoops. We've got 6 inside. 2 take away 1 is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. Add a half, that's 3 over 2, like that. And then 2 take away 1 is 1. What's that? 18 over 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 5 marks. These MADAS questions I like, man. Come on, man.